Reading Pioneers is proud to present Unfortunately by Alan Durant and Simon Rickerty. One bright, sunny day, a boy was walking happily through the jungle, whistling. Unfortunately, he met a big, scary lion with very sharp teeth. The lion roared and leapt at the boy. Fortunately, the boy quickly climbed up a tree and escaped. Can't catch me! Unfortunately, a mean and hungry snake was coiled around the tree. It opened its mouth to swallow the boy. Uh-oh! Fortunately, the boy grabbed a vine and swung away from the snake. Whee! Unfortunately, the vine broke and the boy dropped into a mire of quicksand. Help! Fortunately, a hunter was passing by. He threw a rope around the boy and hauled him out of the quicksand. Then the hunter took the boy back to his village for dinner. Unfortunately, the boy was dinner. Help again! Fortunately, a girl took pity on the boy and set him free. They ran away together back into the jungle. Unfortunately, they didn't watch where they were going and fell into a deep pit in which lived a very fierce man-eating bear. Ah! The bear snarled and raised its huge paws. Fortunately, the boy and girl saw a giant web. We can climb up this web and escape, said the boy. Good idea, said the girl. Unfortunately, a giant, venomous, hairy spider appeared and started to climb down the web towards them. Closer and closer it came. Fortunately, the boy found a biscuit in his pocket. He threw it into the web, and the spider ate that instead. The boy and girl climbed up the web and out of the pit. Free at last! They cried. Unfortunately, a massive vulture flew down and snatched them up in its talons. Up it soared into the sky. Fortunately, the boy and girl were too heavy for the vulture, and it dropped them into a pool. Splash! Unfortunately, it was inhabited by crocodiles. Fortunately, the crocodiles had just eaten and were all fast asleep and snoring. The boy and girl tiptoed out of the pool. Then they walked together happily through the jungle, whistling. Unfortunately, gulp. Thank you everyone for reading along with us today to the story, Unfortunately. I loved this story because of its different fortunate and unfortunate events that happened to the boy and girl. I think the story teaches a very good lesson of how the things we do can sometimes have fortunate and unfortunate consequences. Comment below what you thought about Alan Durant and Simon Rickerty's story. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you click the thumbs up button, subscribe for more read alouds, and click the notification bell to keep up to date with all future videos being uploaded by Reading Pioneers. While you wait for the next video, here are some other children's books in our growing library which I think you'll enjoy. Unfortunately, this is the end of our video. So, until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.